have had so much fun playing with this balance beam from Takisi, and we loved it so much. I loved as a mom that it came with this storage bag so that you can pop all the pieces back in it and be able to have it put aside and take out only when your little one wants to put it together. I absolutely love the quality of the materials. These are the little stepping stones that have little grips on the bottom that are going to be so great so that you can use it on more like a hardwood floor. We are going to use it in our upstairs playroom, and I was really impressed with how many variations you can use and build on this, and it gave you some inspiration. I also was super impressed with just how easy it is for kids to be able to put together themselves. My little one is 3.5, and she was able to do this all on her own, so this would be great for kids even younger with adult support and supervision, and kids that are older. Each of the different planks has a different texture, surface, color. There's so many variations, and what I really love about it is you can simply flip them over if you would like to have just a flat side, and then those variations are on the bottom. They did a fantastic job at including all the different pieces involving connecting them and just how simple it is, and we had a lot of fun doing a little bit of a mix up and changing the shape. The stepping stones were some extra fun to pop in there, and the kids just absolutely loved it, and it kept them entertained for such a long time. I personally love that you can get creative with it, and the kids can do this themselves and really feel like they're in charge and create something new and fun and then play with it over and over again. And then, of course, as a mom, I love that they are really stackable and easy to clean up and store afterwards. The material is really high quality. It is incredibly soft and smooth to the touch, and I would absolutely recommend checking this out if you have littles. This would also make a fantastic gift.